Wait, did you eat the cookies? Why?
Because.
Because why? Why'd you eat all the cookies? Now nobody can have none.
Daddy had them.
No, we didn't. Wait. Hey, why did you eat all the cookies?
Because.
Because why? Hey, Brayden. Didn't you say there was a monster in your room? What's he look like?
Black.
And what else?
White.
He's black and white. What else does he do?
Happy?
He's a happy black and white ghost.
Yeah.
So, what else does he do? Is he... Hey, is he grabby? Show me how he grabs.
Well, see me again.
You see him again?
I see it.
Is he there?
Nope.
He's not anymore?
In the wall. Hey. I see it.
Hey, what else does the monster do?
Wow.
What else does he do?
White.
He writes? What else does he do?
Hide.
He hides? What, does he go to the potty?
No.
He doesn't go to the potty?
No.
He
doesn't.
The ghost doesn't go in the potty?
Nope.
Do I go to the potty?
Yeah.
Does Alex go to the potty? Of course he does. Hey, does Devin go in the potty? Do you go in the potty?
Huh?
No, you don't.
Yeah, he does. But in the potty.
He doesn't go in the potty?
Yeah. Yeah, going in the potty. He's funny.
Hey, if the monster comes in again, what do you do to him?
What? It's me. I killed.
You kill him?
What did you do to monster? Got you. Haha.
Alright, night-night.
Wow!
Go to sleep. Go night-night. Night-night.
Night-night. Close! Oh, come. Oh, come. The muscles.
Hey, Brayden!
What? What?
He's dead.
He does? Mercy. Yeah.
Well, show me the face you just did.
Whoa!
Say bye, YouTube.
Why you